Today in this video I will gonna share with you a couple things. One is why using promoted listings it's not good idea, because especially when you are a newbie, you can see like this guy, it's a very bad idea to use promoted listings. But I will share with you and show you actually what you can use instead of promoted listings, which gives you double as good results, or even 10 times actually good results as promoted listings. And another thing what I will share with you is how to stay away and not be suspended. There is a system, very simple, you can apply right now and protect yourself and never become suspended. And you are going to see also my products that I am purchasing and selling on eBay. So let's go straight away into the why it's bad idea to do promoted listings. Okay, first let me just explain in 1 minute why promoted listings are bad idea. The sponsor listings are bad idea. You see, it's pretty much eBay works pretty much the same as a Facebook. Facebook ads works only for you if you keep them paying. If you're wasting and flushing money into the Facebook. I know some people are doing crazy stuff with the Facebook ads. It's the same here on eBay. eBay promoted listings will gonna work for you only if you will gonna pay them. Okay? As soon as you stop paying them, you will gonna become more invisible as you were before. If you keep paying them, they will gonna show you. But you have to keep in mind that you got a lot of competition there with between the sponsored listings. Let me show you what I mean by this. You see, when you scroll down here, what do you see here? Similar sponsored items. Great, right? Next, related sponsored items. So all those guys, they are just wasting money, just competing. Guys, this is just a kind of like the same like you scrolling down on Facebook, you see what? Sponsor ads, sponsor ads, sponsor ads, sponsor ads. What do you think your buyers here now, the buyers on eBay, how do they feel about that, about those sponsor items? It's the same way how you feel about the sponsor ads. Okay, scroll down here. Okay, there's not so much sponsor items based on your recent views. And you can go explore more sponsored items. Okay, so it's funny, right? So all what you can see here is sponsor items, sponsor items, sponsor items, sponsor items. That's why I'm saying you, this is just a wasting money. This is just completely 100% beneficial for eBay. This is how they earn extra money, by targeting you with the marketing stuff to flush your money into the sponsor ads, which is just a dead end. It's not working. This is one thing. Another thing is, I mentioned already, as soon as you stop paying them, as soon as you disconnect, let's say you even never sold anything, but you connected sponsored listings, you try to do something, well, it's not really working out, and you said, hey, okay, so it's not working out for me, I will gonna disconnect them. So you can do this if you want, you can try, or maybe you tried already. As soon as you disconnect them from your shop or store or private account, you become invisible. Almost the feeling is like this. It's suddenly like, hey, what's happened? I don't know. I used to have 2-3 sales per day. Now I have no sales at all, right? So this is just a very simple way how to put this. What's the option? There is 10 times more powerful way how to do this without wasting money. Even if you are newbie, without wasting money. For some it's maybe secret, but this is very simple. I use eBay for Charity program because I have been using this very powerful way. You will see in seconds how it goes. Just let me finish with this. Have you ever saw something like this? Similar charity items. You will never see the charity word here, because you know why? because eBay doesn't earn anything from the charity. It's kind of like just a good deed, but eBay is earning from the sponsor here. So when you do charity, you have no competition. When you do charity, people are gonna like you. When you do charity, you become more visible. When you do charity, your sales will gonna grow up. When you do charity, you can sell for higher price than your competitors, because people like the sellers who are using charity. Because bottom line is, if you do eBay sponsored listings, you are on a dead end. That's the dead end, guys. If you do eBay for charity program and connect donation options for your account, you are on a rocket show and you are not paying for this. And there is one more benefit for you if you do charity. It's tax deductible. Okay, let's go and show you what I mean and what you can expect if you do the charity stuff. Let's go. For those who think I'm using promoted listings, no way, guys. You see, I clicked on promoted listings here. Okay, there is all sales and there is promoted listings here. Okay, you don't have any sales via promoted listings in the time range you selected. Okay. If you have promoted listings switched on you can do that, no problem. That's up to you. Okay, and your sales dropped, that you know that number one reason why your sales drop is because you tried promoted listings, okay, or you tried the blue card. Okay, then you need to recover your account and you need to reanimate your account in some ways. Okay, so here you see it's everything goes up again here in the numbers. And first what I want to show you is, if you think I made this, let me just jump here and you see you can see on the screen, you should be able to see Thursday, sorry. um, Everything is growing up, almost 2000 in sales. This is extremely high jump spike here comparing to this. What was the highest here? Was normally highest here was on August 17 when I did 500 in sales. Okay, now another just 600 something, but here is almost 2000 in sales. You can see the increase is 800%, boo, 800%, 600%, boo. Everything goes up. How the eBay will not suspending me? As you start listing, please list as many categories you can. Embrace as many categories you can. I knew it already. Here I knew it actually here already, what I was gonna do in 3 months here. How I will make this one. And I was like a penguin here. Pack, 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 small, 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 small. I was like building my portfolio for eBay. Because I knew when this date will gonna come, September, and 3 months will gonna be over, I will gonna crash it here. I earned the freedom here. This was my journey to the freedom up here. September 4, it's not the noon time yet. So, and let me take this away. Let me explain something here. Yesterday I shared with you already in a video. If you haven't seen that, you can go and check up yesterday's video. It was about this spike here. Okay, because that's from yesterday. Today there is only, it's not even half day, but the spike goes even more than that. Okay, so this is what you can expect, and this is what you should expect if you were gonna do 799 properly. Okay, click here as well. So today we got what? Total sales including is 3000 here, net sales, I'm not quite sure how to read this properly, 3000 today. Okay, well that's Canadian dollars, but anyway, so this is quite a great progress. I would say that's what I told you yesterday. If you follow 799, this will gonna happen. Review your sales. 6 September today. As I said already in a previous video, I made mistake here because I did quite a big spike, but I knew that I have to read my metrics. So I read my metrics. I see, oh my gosh, it goes out of the ceiling here. The ceiling here is on my level after 3 months doing 799. On this level here, I'm on this level here. Okay, between 2 and 4,000 per day. In All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye for now.